Want to use your Total Wireless, now Verizon prepaid phone on another carrier? You'll need to check its unlock status. The key is your phone's IMEI number, a unique 15-digit identifier. To find your IMEI, go to your phone's settings. On an iPhone, navigate to Settings, General, About. The IMEI is listed there. To check the status, head to the Verizon Unlock portal at verizon.com/coverage map device unlock policy / and enter your IMEI. The system will instantly tell you if your phone is eligible for unlocking, blacklisted due to being reported lost or stolen, or still locked to Verizon prepaid. Remember, this check only confirms the status. It doesn't unlock the phone itself. This is a free and easy way to determine if you can proceed with the unlocking process. Before you can unlock your Total Wireless Verizon prepaid phone, you must meet specific requirements. The phone must be fully paid off with no outstanding balance, and it must have been active on a Verizon prepaid account for at least 60 days. It also can't be reported as lost, stolen, or involved in any fraudulent activity. Once your IMEI check confirms eligibility and you meet all requirements, you can request an unlock code through the same Verizon portal. The code will be sent to you via email or the Verizon app. Simply enter this code into your phone's settings to unlock it for use on other compatible networks. Note that while unlocking doesn't void your warranty, it may affect resale value if the device is later deemed incompatible with certain networks.